Today, we want to show you our new vacuum seal machine. This machine is very beautiful. Now, let's turn on the power. Wow, it's very beautiful. When you turn on the power, the buttons appear. This button is for vacuum seal for dry food. This button is only for seal. This is stop button. This is button for vacuum seal moist food. This is manual vacuum. This is vacuum canister. On the two sides, this buttons for open and lock. For the inside, they have a cutting knife. For example, if you think your bag is too big, you can cut a bit as you want. Let's try. You can make the bag as you want. Okay. Let's see the function first. Now, we try the manual vacuum and the seal. The step 1, press the side button simultaneously with both hands to open the lid. Step 2, place the open end of the bag into the vacuum chamber area and make the sealing feel flat and fixed. Step 3, close the lid. You can stand up and press it hard until you hear it da-da sound. Make sure the lid is locked on both sides. Step 4, we press the manual vacuum. Okay. If you want to stop, just take out your finger. If you think it's still not enough, you can continue, press the button. Okay, now we seal this bag. When it works, the light will flashing. When the seal is complete, the working light is stop flashing. Then press the two side switches again to open the lid. Let's check. Okay. Now let's try make a vacuum and seal the moist food. Ginger. Just press the vacuum and seal for moist food. The light stop flashing, then it finishes. Let's check. It's very beautiful and very clean. Let's try to vacuum and seal the dry food. Green tea. Just press the vacuum and seal for dry food. Then let's check.